First bed. See what we got.
I am.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the homestead. So today it's an exciting day for us because after so many months of waiting, we get to harvest our potatoes. So we had pretty good luck last year when we did the potatoes in the grow bags. So we just followed the same recipe this year. So I don't know when we planted these things, maybe March or April. I have no idea. But as you can see, if you look over here, they are starting to die back, which is an indicator that they are actually ready for harvest. And we've actually looked into a couple of these beds, and we can see the potatoes starting to break the surface of the soil. So, like I said, this is exciting for me because this is kind of the one, it takes a while for potatoes to form. So, I don't know, man, like out of everything, this be like the most exciting part for me is the potato harvest. So let's go ahead and get into it. First bed, see what we got. Look at there, look at there, look at there, look at there. Look at there, wonderful. See that? Got some pretty decent sized potatoes there. I don't remember the type of potatoes that these were, but they're potatoes, nonetheless. Our goal was to actually get like, I think Keisha wanted like 100 pounds of potatoes or something. Let's see if we got even close to that. It is like 100 something degrees outside here, y'all. So she's telling me to hurry up. I'm trying to hurry up. That was the actual seed potato, I guess.
Think they're supposed to get a little bigger?
I think we got exactly what we're supposed to get. Because I've seen.
Oh yeah. That one is a nice big one.
Yeah, buddy. And it looks like there aren't any birds. Like before. Like they all stayed around the cluster. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, that's like the store-bought right there.
Store-bought.
That's all you can say?
That's all I can say.
Like this one is starting to grow some eyes. That looks like that's it for this bed.
Okay, good job. Nice.
Moist. Alright, see what else we got. So that's bed number 1. Right, let's see what else we got. Bed number 2. I don't expect a lot out of this one.
I don't think those are ready. Those are still green.
Yeah. That one, that's all it had on that one, really.
Those are still growing. They're still
Itty-bitty.
growing. They're still growing. This bed is probably more ready than that one.
Yeah, so we'll jump over here. All right, guys, so this is bed number 2, technically. The other one we don't feel like it's ready yet, but all right, so here we go. All right, got some right here. Nice. And these were, like I said, I don't remember what I was about to say species. What variety of potatoes these were? Huh?
Those are still growing.
What is? These?
Yeah.
Yeah, they always. you're gonna always pull up, like, because they don't stop growing. If you leave them in there, they'll continue to just grow and grow and grow.
Just pop some back in there, I guess.
Huh?
So you can probably rebury those after you're done.
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Don't always have to be huge. That one is. Nice size. Yeah, what are you doing? These are not so good. These are going to show. That's the seed potato. Pretty good so far, guys. Actually got more out of this bed so far than we did out of the first one.
So how many potatoes did you actually plant? How many seed potatoes in this bed?
In this one, I think I did 4. I think I did 4 in this one and 4 in that one. Whatever the garden gives us, I'm happy with, because it didn't have to do that. Big represent, no pun intended. Think that is for the on this one. Yeah, I think that's safe to say that that's it, but this is so far
Out of 2.
out of
That's
2.
a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot, and they're decent size.
Nice size.
And I think this is already more than what we got last year.
Dang.
Yeah, not bad, man. Not bad at all. Was that a green one?
There.
Yeah. But yeah, so far so good, guys. And we still have this bed, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 that we need to harvest.
Hey.
Yeah.
Good job.
So I cannot be upset with this harvest. These were actually really green. Yeah. So doing good. They're good. Got some green on it. Yeah.
Shake that dirt back. Nice.
This is a nice blue stuff. It's just like super easy to pull up.
Is that a seed potato?
That, like,
Gotta be.
that's crazy. That's like
Gotta
not
be.
mushy. It's not anything. It's just, it's like solid still. I was expecting them.
You know, you can put peanuts in here.
Yeah. Talking about growing some peanuts. Like, see how that seed potato is all mushy? Like, I was expecting more of this out of these other seed potatoes.
Nice.
Should have. I was supposed to make a sifter after last year, but procrastinated, never got around to it. This is actually really good. This soil is nice and loose. Add and stack that.
Yeah,
Not
those
water
ones.
in a while ago. Ladybugs. Get on out of there, ladybugs. I don't want nothing to happen. I'm sure you can handle yourself though. But I do see a nice complex set of spider webs. So I might have just saved them. Where's the spider? That spider? Oh my God. That thing is fat. It's a black widow too, I think. You ain't thought you could get these potatoes. Just be a little bit more careful. Watch the package. The only one. But I see one. This is
Green.
This is green, a little bit.
Can those be seed potatoes or not?
I don't know.
That can.
This definitely.
I will pop that right back in the ground.
We'll put that right there for now. Oh man, yeah, she got a big old booty. That's a big old egg too. She was down there. Good. I appreciate it.
No.
Have so many potatoes.
Is tubers another name for potatoes?
Tuber, yeah, potatoes are tubers. Not least. Don't try to creep me out. You see it?
I'm good. I don't need to see it. I'm good. I'm good.
Let
They like these grow bags.
All right, guys. Look at that mama right there. I don't know if you can. Let me see if I can. You see her back there?
Don't get on my phone.
You guys should be able to see her right there. Got a real two so
That's
far, y'all.
amazing.
Much bigger than the year before. There's another green one. That's why I'm gonna get rid of that one.
Right there.
Mm-hmm. That one and the one next to it.
I'll let you grab it. Just get there on the.
So, yeah, y'all. So far, so good, man. It's not gonna be 100 pounds, but then again, who knows? Because potatoes are solid, so who knows what they may get, how heavy they may be, rather.
Right.
All right, let's go ahead and knock out this next one. So we're gonna do one more. We do one more bed or bag, right? And you're right, they do like these grow bags. But this one here was an experiment. Okay, so the experiment with this one was I layered the seed potatoes in the bag. So I put down a layer of dirt, about 6 to 8 inches of dirt on the bottom. Put down a couple of potatoes. I came up another 6 to 8 inches, put down more potatoes, and I did that like 3 or 4 times. So this was just an experiment to see how they grow in layers. That way you can kind of get more bang for your buck in terms of space and potatoes. So we're about to see what's popping in here. All right, so let's go. So this will be one. We got 3.
Sit it on top of. You want to sit it on top of something? Yeah.
Great.
Yeah. Yeah. Over there. That's fine.
one little thingamabobber.
Pull them straight up so you don't drop none down. Don't forget that black widow by you.
I know. She on my mind. She on my mind. Alright, so these are preparing to be much smaller.
It feels like you planted these later, but they're not done yet.
They could be done. I planted all these at the same time, all in the same video. This one, at some point, I might just need to dump it out because, like I said, it's layered, so to be sure we get everything out. Might be not that essential to turn it upside down. Now the sun is going down. The sun is going down. Don't feel so bad out here now.
Oh, I like this one already. This is call this the Easter egg.
You know, get all kinds of surprises coming up out of now. There's good surprises coming up with that. All right. All right, let's see what we got up there. Top shelf. Green one, good. Boom. Another green one. That is why you mound, ladies and gentlemen. You're gonna mound the potatoes. Just understand that you want to mound them so that the potatoes on the top don't get exposed to the sun and all that good stuff, all that jazz, and turn green on you.
This is where potatoes come from, guys. The dirts.
Die Deutsch. Die Deutsch. All right,
Oh
guys.
my goodness.
So those are our potatoes from this year. Pretty good in my opinion. Pretty good. Now like with anybody, it's like more is always desired. You know, we always want more out of our garden. However,
we got time to get another harvest.
you got time to get another one in. So we ain't tripping. We are not tripping at all. You know, you can only get, you know, Mother Nature's only gonna give you, she's gonna give you what she's gonna give you, right? So, but this I'm happy about, you know? Because like I said, the first couple of years, I wasted my time with potato tower experiments that did not work. And now we're using the grow bags and they are working wonderfully. That's it, guys. Like we said, we have 2 more beds. We're gonna let them cook a little bit longer before we dig those up and see what they give us. But that's it for our potatoes for this year. Next year, we'll be doing the same thing, planting them in the grow bags, giving them ample space, feeding them as much as we can. I like the soil. It was nice and loose when I was going through it right now. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'm happy. You happy, Keisha?
I'm happy.
We're happy with our potato harvest. So we hope that you guys are having much success in your gardens this year, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Peace out.